Good morning, children. How are you all? I am your social science teacher, Rajatilakam. During a pandemic disease, I hope you all are in safe and believe you are following your parents' instructions and also government rules. Dear children, you are very important for us. As a social science teacher, I request you to read these instructions and you must follow that. I hope you can. Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss Geography Lesson 1 Resources. What is a resource? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Look around you and observe. You will be able to identify many types of resources. The water you drink when you are thirsty, the electricity you use in your house, the rickshaw you use to get home from school, the textbook you use to study are all resources. Here we will see characters of resources. What are the characters? Utility, value, economical value. Here we will discuss about utility and value. Utility, a resource which is in the form of object or substance. What is mean by substance? A solid or liquid material. For example, rickshaw, bus, electricity, water and etc. Value. Value means worth. Things become resources only when they have a value. Some resources have economical value. Example of economical value. Grandmother's home remedies have no commercial value today, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm, they could become economical valuable. One more example, for flowers have an aesthetic value at home, but when a florist sells them in the market, they acquire an economic value. Similarly, a waterfall has an aesthetic value, but when the same is used to generate hydropower, it gains an economic value. Resources can be broadly classified into three main categories, namely natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Natural resources. Resources drawn from nature and used without modification is called natural resources. Many of the resources are free gift of nature and can be used directly. Technology may not be needed to use a natural resource in the best possible way. Natural resources are obtained from land, soil, water, animals and mines. Besides these, there are energy resources. These resources may be further classified as follows on the basis of development and use, origin, stock and distribution. On the basis of their level of development, we are dividing into two: actual resources, potential resources. Actual resources whose quantity is known and used in present. For example, the rich deposit of coal in Ruhr region of Germany. These resources are of use in future. At present, our technology may not be that advanced, but with time this can be utilized and can turn to be actual resources. Potential resources. These are the resources whose quantity is not known and they may not be used at present. Examples of potential resources: uranium found in Ladakh may be used in future. High-speed winds were just a potential resource earlier, but with the development of windmills, they are a good source of energy now. Hence, they are an actual resource. Seawater is a potential resource, but with technology in future, it will become an actual resource when its salinity is taken out, and this way be used for agriculture and domestic purpose. Natural resources on the basis of their origin can be classified as abiotic and biotic resources. Abiotic. Abiotic resources are non-living. For example, rock, minerals, soil and etc. Biotic. Biotic resources are living. For example, plants and animals. Dear children, today we discussed two topics. One is what is a resource and natural resources. Dear children, remaining topics we will discuss later. Thank you.